What if one wall could completely transform your living room? What if the right lighting could make your home feel like a five-star hotel? And what if a few furniture choices could instantly elevate your entire space? Most people spend thousands on expensive furniture but overlook the three elements that truly define a luxurious living room: the accent wall, the furniture arrangement, and the lighting design. In today's video, we're going to explore stunning wall accent ideas, designer furniture trends, layered lighting techniques, and styling secrets used by top interior designers to create breathtaking spaces. Whether you're building a new home or renovating your current one, these ideas will help you create a living room that is elegant, timeless, and incredibly inviting. Let's get started. Imagine walking into a living room where the walls immediately capture your attention and set the tone for the entire home. A well-designed accent wall is much more than a decorative element. It's the focal point that defines the personality of the space. From floor-to-ceiling marble panels and natural stone cladding to warm wooden slats, fluted panels, textured plaster finishes, and statement artworks, there are countless ways to elevate your living room. Modern luxury homes are increasingly embracing backlit marble walls, metallic inlays, handcrafted murals, and elegant moldings that add depth and sophistication. Vertical wooden panels can make ceilings appear taller, while textured finishes such as Venetian plaster and limewash create a soft, timeless appeal. Hidden LED strips integrated into these walls further enhance their beauty, casting subtle shadows and creating a warm, inviting ambience. Whether you prefer a contemporary minimalist aesthetic or a grand, hotel-inspired interior, the right accent wall can instantly transform your living room into a luxurious masterpiece. Once you've created a stunning backdrop, the next step is selecting furniture that balances comfort, functionality, and elegance. Luxury living rooms often feature oversized modular sofas in neutral shades like cream, beige, taupe, and gray, complemented by rich textures such as velvet, buccal, and leather. Instead of pushing all the furniture against the walls, designers create intimate conversation areas by arranging sofas and accent chairs around a statement coffee table. Marble-topped tables, metallic finishes, and sculptural forms add a refined touch, while rugs and floor-to-ceiling curtains help define the space and create a sense of warmth. Accent chairs, side tables, console units, and decorative accessories such as vases, candles, coffee table books, and indoor plants add layers of personality and sophistication. The secret to a luxurious living room is finding the perfect balance between aesthetics and comfort, ensuring that every piece complements the overall design while creating a welcoming environment for family and guests. Lighting is the final element that brings a living room to life and gives it a truly luxurious atmosphere. Interior designers often use a layered lighting approach, combining ambient, task, and accent lighting to create depth and dimension. Statement chandeliers become the centerpiece of the room, while hidden cove lighting adds a soft glow that makes ceilings appear higher and spaces feel more expansive. Wall sconces can highlight accent walls and artwork, while floor lamps and table lamps create cozy corners perfect for reading and relaxation. Smart lighting systems allow homeowners to adjust brightness and mood according to different occasions, from entertaining guests to enjoying a quiet evening at home. Warm white lighting enhances natural materials such as wood, marble, and metal, making the entire room feel elegant and inviting. By thoughtfully combining different lighting elements, you can transform an ordinary living room into a sophisticated retreat that feels both timeless and effortlessly luxurious. Final designer tips: how to create a timeless and luxurious living room. A truly luxurious living room is not defined by expensive furniture alone. It's created through a careful balance of lighting, materials, colors, and comfort. Here are some essential designer tips that can instantly elevate your space. Use warm white lighting to create an inviting atmosphere. Instead of harsh white lights, opt for warm white lighting with a soft golden glow that makes the room feel cozy and welcoming. Layer different light sources, such as chandeliers, wall sconces, floor lamps, table lamps, and concealed LED strips, to add depth and dimension. Warm lighting enhances the beauty of natural materials like wood and stone while creating a sophisticated hotel-like ambience, especially during the evening hours. Mix natural materials to add richness and texture. One of the secrets behind luxury interiors is the thoughtful combination of materials such as wood, marble, glass, metal, and fabric. Pair a marble coffee table with wooden wall panels, introduce metallic accents in brass or bronze, and soften the space with textured fabrics like velvet, linen, or buccal. Combining different textures creates visual interest and gives the room a layered, curated appearance without making it feel overwhelming. Maintain a consistent color palette throughout the space. A cohesive color scheme is essential for achieving an elegant and timeless look. Neutral shades such as beige, cream, taupe, gray, and warm browns create a sophisticated foundation that allows statement pieces to stand out. You can introduce accent colors through cushions, artwork, rugs, or decorative accessories, but limiting the palette to 2 or 3 primary tones ensures that the room feels balanced and harmonious. Avoid overcrowding the room with too many decorative elements. Luxury interiors embrace simplicity and intentional design. Instead of filling every corner with furniture and accessories, focus on selecting a few statement pieces that make an impact. Leave enough empty space between furniture to allow the room to breathe and create a sense of openness. A thoughtfully designed living room should feel spacious, functional, and visually calming rather than cluttered. Invest in timeless pieces rather than temporary trends. While trends come and go, classic design elements remain beautiful for years. Choose high-quality furniture, natural stone finishes, elegant lighting fixtures, and neutral upholstery that will stand the test of time. Timeless materials such as marble, wood, leather, and brass not only age gracefully but also add long-term value to your home. Always prioritize comfort alongside aesthetics. No matter how beautiful a living room looks, it should ultimately be a space where you can relax and unwind. Choose sofas with deep seating, plush cushions, soft rugs, and ergonomic furniture that encourages comfort. The most luxurious interiors successfully combine elegance with practicality, creating a home that is not only visually stunning but also warm, inviting, and enjoyable to live in every day. As we come to the end of this design journey, it's important to remember that a truly luxurious living room is never defined by a single element. It's the harmony between textures, colors, furniture, lighting, and thoughtful details that transforms an ordinary space into something extraordinary. A stunning accent wall can become the focal point of the room, but when paired with carefully selected furniture, layered lighting, and timeless accessories, it creates an atmosphere that feels elegant, inviting, and deeply personal. From the warmth of natural wood and the sophistication of marble to the softness of fabrics and the glow of ambient lighting, every choice contributes to the overall experience of the space. The most beautiful living rooms are those that strike the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. They are spaces where family and friends gather, where conversations unfold, and where memories are created. Whether you prefer a contemporary minimalist style, a grand hotel-inspired interior, or a cozy modern aesthetic, the key lies in understanding how each design element complements the other. Thoughtfully placed furniture can improve the flow of the room, statement lighting can completely change the mood, and carefully curated accessories can add character without overwhelming the space. As you plan your own living room transformation, don't be afraid to experiment with textures, materials, and layouts that reflect your personality and lifestyle. Focus on creating a space that not only looks visually stunning but also feels comfortable and welcoming every single day. After all, the ultimate goal of great interior design is not just to impress, it's to create a home that inspires, comforts, and brings joy for years to come. Before we conclude today's video, let's recap some of the key ideas and final takeaways that can help you create the living room of your dreams. And there you have it. Everything you need to transform your living room into a space that feels elegant, luxurious, and truly timeless. From breathtaking accent walls and carefully curated furniture to layered lighting that completely changes the mood of a room, every detail plays a role in creating a home that reflects your personality and lifestyle. Remember, Luxury isn't always about filling your space with expensive pieces. It's about thoughtful design, balanced textures, warm lighting, and creating an atmosphere that feels both beautiful and comfortable. Whether you're drawn to the sophistication of marble walls, the warmth of wooden panels, the charm of designer furniture, or the glow of ambient lighting, the right combination can turn an ordinary living room into an extraordinary experience. So, which idea inspired you the most? Was it the statement accent wall, the cozy furniture arrangement, or the stunning lighting concepts? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear your thoughts and ideas for your dream living room. If you enjoyed this video and found these design tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Everyday Interiors TV for more luxury interior inspiration, modern home design ideas, and expert styling secrets. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming, keep designing, and keep creating spaces that you'll love coming home to. See you in the next video.